look like? Wow, such a big deal, dude. Oh my God. Nah, hell nah. There's no way it gets worse. Dude, that is fucking insane, dude. Are sharks and alligators gonna be in the water? There's gonna be waves? Oh, fuck no. Oh, fuck no, bro. What the fuck? Dude! Nah, hell nah, bro. You guys gotta get the fuck out of Tampa. All shit aside, bro. When does this shit start? I gotta get my dad out, bro. Fuck this. When does it start? Tomorrow? Oh, yeah, nah, hell no. My dad's tripping. Oh, nah, fuck no. Oh, no. What the fuck, dude? What time? Huh. Oh, nice. It's my birthday, too.